Like him come bust it up, me just bust it up, brother. Brother, me tell us from yesterday me not eat no, me can't eat, me that hurt me dog. Me head that hurt me. A man a call me through video calling, brother. Me are mother, you know. Man a call me through video calling, dog. Video call me and look for my daughter through, you know, bro. Just because me and the man in an argument, you know. Video call. Me a face my daughter upon youth. Video call, me ask you have a vehicle. Me not have no car. Me not have no vehicle. You crash my car, you take my money when me use pay for my car, because your car done fix everything. Me never want it future, me never want you see me so. Because right now, me know you're happy. Me know you're happy, bro, because you try to break me in a ways where me not understand. I'm dead for your youth. I'm dead for your youth. You not have no family up here, son. And me and you alone there, so bad, man. Me just sorry me meet you, Chad. Me sorry me meet you in the first place where me allow you to take my virginity from me, where me allow you to bring me under your wings for you grow me and turn me into the person where you grow me in. Me should have take time with myself, bro, and know the type of person I am. Me just fucking regret it. Me regret it. Me regret it. And you come in a comment at about you never turn me in a bad person. If you have it for say you not turn me in a bad person, you know me is not a bad person. You know me is not a bad mother. You know me is not a bad mother. You know me love Chastity. You know me take care of Chastity. You know, and I like some day as I do I starve Chastity or I beat Chastity or I do some of my enough. You do why you that take her from me. You take her from me out of spite and jealousy. I'm look upon you one day. I'm say no, so no matter what me have mother never, me not go ever hold Chastity against you. Cause me know some baby mother say when them and them man in a things them hold the baby. You see me never plan to be one of them mother. But him force me, brother. Him man force me. When me and you have, when me and you have, if you want to move on, just make you move on peacefully.
Khandy, you hear me? The only way out of that situation, yeah, you have to go get a lawyer. Because I same to the woman tell me over the phone. She said because he's the father, it's not a case of them can just go for the baby and say, come back to your mother because both are gonna have rights. So the only way I can get through this baby, I know it hard. And it's so ridiculous to me because I even say to her, I say, if you tell me, say, if me and a man have a child, him can just get up and decide to take my baby from me forever and nothing can be done about it. But you say, it's sad, yes, but that is the law. You have to go get a lawyer, you have to go out, you have to go out court, babes. No way around it. Guys, turn on back my comments, please. Let me see some. Let's see if nobody in the chat can help out. Because sometimes you have some people go through them something already and can get advice.
This time man text me and say, this time a man say, alright, me I go bring her come today. My from man, me sit down and wait for my daughter, you know. Another time, him call me, you not get her. Another time, him say, yo,
it's so crazy, though. I feel like say if it, I'm telling about Jamaica system all the time, you know, and as a woman, as a female officer, me I talk to her, I like saying a man. Because me as an artist, a woman, she must understand where I come from. A woman straightforward. So I say to her, I say, if me have a child with a man, and he just get up and decide to take my opinion for spite, and me just not ever see my child again, nothing can be done. She said, no, you have to go through the court. That is crazy. I feel like say once you take my child without my permission, father, brother, whatever, it should be me supposed to have some from a right.
Maya, first of all, have an agreement. That's a kidnap. That's a kidnap. Yeah, because
exactly. The thing if me and you have an agreement, say yes, you're going to take my child, that is different. But if I just take up my pitney,
listen, him tell people say him don't have her. Him tell me say him not have her. When him have her, so that would have considered as kidnapping, brother. That's a whole nother thing than being through family court and going through family court.
Them not consider kidnapping. That might be
Chad not understand. It's Chad not understand what him do.
Khandy, I
never want to reach so far. Me tell you truth. Me never want to reach so far. Fabulous, I tell me if you stop. Fabulous, me understand. And me I go stop.
Yeah, then not consider it.
Him in the comments when we mute him go over Maya and I chat shit, brother. Me never in no argument. Me never company media
with this. No, sir.
Me never company media with it.
Guys, me tell you, woman, all
Me
that
never
says
company media with it, brother. Me just they are
no.
talking general and him company live. I tell the people them the most things. So me say, alright, then me bust it up. Since you do the most.
No, but this is what I'm afraid now, bro. Because me have an opinion with a man and just can't take my opinion at any time. Be fist fight me. That can't right.
Girl, I'm say me come home. Me not say my daughter close them. Me not say my daughter close them in our wardrobe.
Yeah, I'm saying because see there, but see there in the shore. At that
Brother.
based on what the officer tell me I'll court to Africa.
Listen, you see too much of that move.
See
You
there.
see too much of that move, girl. Nobody no know him location. Nobody no know him location. All me have to do make reports. That be a report me have to make.
So I'm afraid I don't come
Until Chad decide to come give me my daughter, me no know what me I go do. Him have to decide to come give me her because brother, nobody no know where him. Even me call CDS, how them I go locate him? How me go get her?
Me could manage them something. I tell you the truth. Boy, that's why I'm
Brother,
telling
last night alive, me say me I go come cause me need some help, you know, cause nobody never did that help me. You see me, and him a tell me the most things. Me say me I go come live to see if nobody know the youth where him probably there with. You understand?
Yeah,
They are me or whatever. You see me?
The center, you leave.
You know, so me no want this to be a thing though. Me not company media with it. You see me? Come me never come for life for last night. I me say fuck that. Me not come.
Come here, brat. Come here.
Me tell myself say me nah make media know me business. Me nah make nobody know nothing. You see me? You come over here, you comment and I do the most. Where you come over here comment for? And I make me look like me is a bad person, brother. When Chad you know me not do nothing. Me not do nothing, brother. Me not do nothing. You carry feelings, brother. Just make me you move on in a peace. You a big man, me a big woman, bro. Make me move on in a peace now. Make me you move on in a peace. Just make you move on in a peace. You see me? Because when me tell him say the police them say that I kidnap, him not believe me. I kidnap my daughter, bro. You kidnap my daughter. That's what you did. It might not look like a daughter doing in your eyes because you made say, "Chow, me just have her for one couple days, but you do it for spite me for one," and you kidnapped her. You not tell me say you gone away with her. When me come, you all her clothes them gone, everything. You understand? And them no know say woman have more rights than woman have the mother them have more rights than the father them. So when my say that the woman there say a fuckery. Because my mother friend got through a similar situation. Her man did a police. Her man take her daughter from her and gone. And you what she do, the woman bring police at the yard and him did have to give the mother a pitney. Him did have to. What them tell the man to do, I tell the man to go court, go file custody. Him can't just keep the baby. So whether the woman there says she don't know nothing. You can't just keep the baby. So you can't just get up, go with the baby and keep the baby. So nothing come out at me and forget to lie. No. We as mothers we have more, listen, have equal thing, but me I tell you say, if them gone with the pitney them, I will go to the police, I will know exactly what them there, them have to give up the child. Me not ask. Them have to give up the child. Have to. It's just that nobody knows where he is. Nobody at all know where he is. You understand what I say? Nobody no know where him there. Nobody no know where him there. Him not tell me where him there from morning, from yesterday, me not see my daughter. Me tell him, me beg him, me say me just see her, please. He spite me. When me a ball, him take joy night. Him take joy night. Right now, him probably sit down and laugh. Him a take joy in a fear hurt me, fear see me this hurt. You understand? And if you take joy night so much, brother, me just know what time it is. You see me? Lottie, big up yourself, baby. Him hate me, brother. Him hate me. Him hate me. Him hate me, dog. As me say, brother, me not even did want this whole thing. Because I want to stop talking about it, brother. But like when him come bust it up, me just bust it up, brother. Brother, me tell us from yesterday, me not eat no. Me can't eat, me that hurt me, dog. Me head that hurt me. A man a call me through video calling, brother. Me are mother, you know. Man a call me through video calling, dog. Video call me and look for my daughter through, you know, bro, just because me and the man in an argument, you know. Video call. Me a face my daughter upon youth. Video call, me ask you have a vehicle, me not have no car. Me not have no vehicle. You crash my car, you take my money when me use pay for my car, cause your car done fix her everything. You having money. You see me? Where the fuck may I get 200,000 more $1,000 from? When me done send over 200,000 like yesterday for fix my car, brother. Me not have no means of transportation. You have carry your foot. Just come make me see her now. If you want to meet me in a town, me we meet in a town and me just see her, brother. Me just want to see her. You gonna make me know no. You see him like how the agony where you in, the agony where you in. He might take joy in it, brother. That's why I never want to do this. Me did want him come for my life and say me there so I listen to music and I enjoy myself. Cause nothing would hurt him so. If you see me actually there so, I play my music. And thus, nah, meds him. Me never want to reach us so. When me sit down attack, and me sit down attack in general. You see me never once mention him. Me never once mention him, me no mention nothing. When you ask me for just me say, yo, me no know. That's it. That's just it, full stop. That's just it, you know. Full stop, point blank. You see me? Brother, anybody want to see me slow, brother can see me slow. Me no care. Anybody want to this me dark. You see, I in idea. All the way a human being. I know all the people go bash me. All the people go say this and say that. But really and truly, dog, my message today was, do not trust nobody. Closest people, them tear them, I go fuck you up. Because you see this so Chad do. Me could have take God off a cross and say, oh, Chad, nah do that, you crazy. Chad, my Chad nah do that. You hear that? You mad? If somebody ever come to me, come tell me, say, Chad do this to me. Me that tell them about them mother, straight. But that say you go dig up under your mother. Probably I'll war with them. That's why I tell you no say. Not trust nobody. Because you see true. Him are the only, him are just the only man me know. Him are just all me know. Because for one, him take my virginity from me young. From me young, him was way older than me. You see me? Chad 5 years older than me. Chad 5 years older than me. So really and truly, him, me did just a par with him. Him me did a par with. Him a groom me, him a teach me this, him a do this and him a do that. You understand what me I say? So really and truly, I just him me know. So there's no way somebody would could have come tell me such a do this to me. Nobody don't know where him there. Nobody. Nobody at all don't know where him there. Nobody know where him there. And even if I go up by station, go act up myself and create a bag of problem, it go come down to this. Them still don't know where him there. And the woman say she asked him where him there. She say him not going to give out his location. You understand what I say? Chad tell me say him a go bring back his baby. Then him tell me say him not come back with her. You see me not see her back. Then brother, him just on and off with it, on and off, and that kind of break me, that get me angry. You see me? Brother, me not expect a man to do none of this, brothers. Me say me never want to call him name, me never want to put him in a spot, me never want to say nothing because for the mere fact for no say, and me alone there so talk and you can't hear him side or him not there so for represent himself. Me never just want there so and I talk about the situation. But if you no want to know my baby there, I Chad have my baby and him never tell me say I take her, I'm gone with her, and he told me that I am not going to see her back. So that are the answer to no question. You see me? So really and truly, me not bring him down. Me not say nothing. That are just the fact. She's not here. Me sit down here saying I'm house by myself. She's not here. I don't know where she is. Me see her on video call before me come live. And
We'll talk and we'll say, boy, if I didn't mean that this, but when you're in the situation, you don't know what you'd
Is it me? So,
Khandy.
no, you see the better.
Oh, Khandy, son, you see, look for a message from Call Me, son. Call me, son. I sure you can definitely store because that's a fair feel. Make whatever she texts you, see if you can do that, Khandy. You have to try do things from early to make them see the severity of the situation. That's all the seriousness of the situation. They can't wait. I know you're not have strength, babes, but you have to find it. You have to find it for your baby.
Brother, me sit down and when time me see my nerves are shake, my whole body a shake, brother. Right now me a shake and me can't stop, brother. Me don't know what else to do. You know when me just don't know what to do.
Yeah, Khandy, you have to, babes, you have to get up, baby. You have to shake it up and be strong and do what you have to do. Make the people them stay serious. You see how me, if you have to go to the police station, the 500 times for your day, go. Because sometimes, especially in Jamaica, I saw you have to go on for people to take care. So you have to go on bad sometime. And that me get to learn. Me is a shy girl, me in a my little box. So I want to tell you, me learn when it comes to Jamaica, you have to do certain things to make people take you serious. So if you have to go 500, but even though them say the police cannot, so them say if you go back there. So the only thing you can do right now, Khandy, I go, them say if you go, I'm saying again, family court, but Sansa she message you somebody we can help out to see if I can answer the message there.
Me guy at police station last night. You see me? When me guy at police station, then give me one number for call. You see me? Me call the number. Him, brother, not even want to tell me what them tell me, because I don't want him to on the live and hear and then. You understand what I say? But you see why me actually sit down now, brother? Because it come down to the fact for no say nobody don't know him there. Yes, when me got the police station, them I go tell me same thing. The woman say when him come and drop off the baby, she tell me say him say I go come drop off the baby. That's what she told me. She tell me say when him come, me fi come with the baby at the police station. That's all she tell me. And all me have to do, I wait and see what him really I do. If him a go bring back my baby or if him actually serious say him nah go bring her back. Me nah go see her back. Because him on and off food him a tell me say first him tell me say him a go bring her today. Him soon bring her come. Then him tell me say me nah see her back. Then him tell me say
Khandy, just to confirm, you know where he is? You no. Alright, they must try to hold the line. I see them, I call himself for call today. Let me see where she go say. Transfer me. Them not say the police, them not take it serious, but you can't really blame the police either, no guys. Cause you see the law, what for blame are the people who make it damn law. Them need for I'm not talk like this. Next thing them a record. She have well. You can't really blame the police either, cause if the law set away, there's nothing them can do for true. The law need for update. They need for have it in a way where once I take somebody child without them permission, father whoever, cause even if the father is the primary parent and the mother just come and snatch a pitney and gone, you're still supposed to still have some way for figure it out.
brother,
or at least like some form of assistance then.
Out of anger. You understand?
You know, like
do certain things out of anger, brother.
The father know with the child and some form of assistance, not all, just nothing can be done.
Brother. There's a lot of things can take place where you're going to regret after.
You know, well, guys, my wrong people, but shit up, my hold.
You're going to regret after when you do things in anger, brother. I'm angry and him take her and gone. She no feed pan breast or something there. She something there. She do feed. She take feed in family also. Brother, me say me just see that go on easy back on the life. Me just never want to reach so far because me want to know what I go do, brother. Me want to know what I go do. You see me? But brother, me never know such a that true me young and naive and me grew up with him and he show me one side of him where me appreciate yo. Him not go do me certain things and then you see from me get pregnant, me see a whole different side of him and me try for work, me go in a denial and Me try to deny, say no, a depression, him a go through depression or whatever. And then it just get worse. Then this at my way, this are the worst thing ever. Not even the girl come on me yard for war me what they over him hood. Worse like this. This are one of the worst thing them ever happen to me in my life. But a long time that me a talk about when I go through. Cause me a med say that why I deal with me so. When time I did pregnant or when time my baby just come. Me a med say, alright, sometime I know we alone as woman go through depression. Cause true is I'm first daughter. You see me, so me I say, alright, maybe I go through him depression or him a deal with me. Me not really penny. But brother, hey, see there? And you know, say me should I use sleep mark dead for true. That's why a girl say me slow. A girl say you slow here, should I use sleep mark dead. When time I'm pregnant, child look for me and tell me say as my birth, my baby, I go take her from me and give him mother. So you see from them time, brother, I should have not saggle up my blood clot self. Them time I did probably about 6 months or 5 months pregnant. Me and him in our argument and him tell me say I'm going to take her from me as she born. So, me should have move, me should have saggle up myself and just ready for anything. Me shouldn't want to drop down and should not try to kill myself right now because I don't like him man never tell me. Him tell me, him give me heads up already. Him give me heads up, so why me a go on so? Why you go on so, girl? Him man did tell a long time, girl. You fooling, why you go on so for a man did make you know. Brother, me I tell you, say, sometime in a life not easy. Life not easy, brother.